Welcome to the tutorial on PowerSearch. That's our new panel for searching through your Premiere project. It's a really incredible way of searching all the metadata in your Premiere project and getting it all back as search results. And the way you open up PowerSearch is you go to the extensions menu and select PowerSearch. That'll load it up in the panels window. The first thing you need to do is click on the load button. And this will load all the metadata of all the clips and all the sequences in your entire project. That means everything is searchable. So if I type in Anarchy, this project has a whole bunch of the Digital Anarchy tutorials in it. So unsurprisingly, Anarchy shows up a lot in the metadata. And you'll see that it shows you sequences, it shows you clips. So basically all laid out as search results. So any clip or sequence that has Anarchy in the metadata, it's going to show up in PowerSearch. And the other great thing is you can click on these search results and it'll open up, in this case, the sequence and jump right to the timecode where it happens at. So we can click on this.
Anarchy, and we'll see you.
And you can see that it jumps right to where that word was said. And it works the same way with clips, except with clips, it opens the clip in the source window and then jumps to that point in time. So super easy way of finding where something was said if you're not sure where that was. If you know what was said, but you don't know where it was said. You got multiple clips in your project, multiple sequences. You don't know where that quote or select that you were looking for is located at. You can just use PowerSearch and it'll locate it for you. So you might be asking, all right, that's great, but how do I get this data into the metadata? So the first thing to know is that it'll search pretty much any metadata in the project. So it's not just limited to transcripts, although that is kind of the best use of it. Transcriptive, our panel for generating transcripts, will allow you to take the entire transcript and drop it into the speech analysis section of the metadata panel. Now, Transcriptive is not the only product that puts metadata here. There are other products out there, and PowerSearch will work just fine with those other products. As long as the data is getting into some field within the metadata panel, PowerSearch will find it. But since we make Transcriptive and it works really well with PowerSearch, that's what we're showing. And you can see as I click on different clips down here, you can see in the metadata, in the speech analysis, the transcript for that clip. Now with Transcriptive, there's a number of ways that you can get that data in there. If you use batch transcribe, that's where it's automatically put. Any file that's batched automatically gets the entire transcript put into the speech analysis section. We can also export, and you can see that we have a speech analysis export. And so this is great if you've been editing the transcript and then want to save it in there. Either the clip didn't have it to begin with, or you batch transcribed it and there were some errors in the transcript. You clean that up, and then you want to save that back into the clip. Exporting to speech analysis is a great way to save your changes. And the other really cool feature is that you can import transcripts as well. So Transcriptive usually just uses artificial intelligence to generate the transcript. Does it automatically. It's a very fast and inexpensive way of getting the transcript. But if you sent the audio out to a transcription service where you've had humans do it, and they've sent you back a plain text file or a rich text file, that can be imported into Transcriptive. And every word will get timecode, and that becomes searchable as well. That can all be put into the metadata. So it doesn't matter whether you're using AI, whether you're using a human, whatever you're doing, as long as you can get the text into Transcriptive, it can be put into the speech analysis section, and that all becomes searchable either within Transcriptive or within PowerSearch. And the advantage of PowerSearch over Transcriptive is great. You can search any clip or any sequence, but you can't search your entire project. PowerSearch allows you to search the entire project, every clip, every sequence. So no matter where the search term is that you're looking for, if you've got 50 different clips and 100 sequences, it doesn't matter. PowerSearch will be able to track it down for you. So it's a very powerful way of just navigating any Premiere project, big or small, and allowing you to quickly find quotes or selects or whatever that you might know what was said, but you don't know where it was said. And instead of scrubbing around for half an hour looking for something, you can just type it into PowerSearch. It'll show you what clip it was set in, and you're good to go. So definitely check out PowerSearch. You can download it and Transcriptive from digitalanarchy.com. And there's a free trial available for both. Lots of tutorials. So lots of ways to get you up to speed and being able to fully check it out. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@digitalanarchy.com. And thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.